How you doing here? Young Quick here with Quick Service. We got a little situation, customers. Out of order. Reported broken fridge. Sorry, this fridge is broken. There's more like it. This fridge is broken. Do not use. This fridge is broken. Do not use. This fridge is broken. Do not use. Another fridge out of order. There's a message from Quick Service. Out of 10 refrigerators out of our emergency repair service we got over here to this warehouse. They needed some overload start capacitors for the compressors to run and function properly. We have 3 out of 10. The marathon man's about to go on another run. It's Young Quick here from Quick Service signing out. Your fridge should never look like this dealing with Quick Service. Should be like these ones. Running. So this is going to be a marathon of work right here. But we got 3 knocked out and we're ready to go. You want me to get this one next, right? Alright. And we're out.